Going to Mickey's house.
Are you ready? Today we go to Mickey's house.
Here you go see Mickey Mouse.
Good morning. Where are you going at today, Faith?
The Magic Kingdom.
That's right. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Good morning from the Contemporary. We are on our way, the walkway to the Magic Kingdom. This is the stuff that dreams are made of, people. Always been a dream of mine to do the walkway first thing in the morning towards the rope drop. And with the magic of the Disney Vacation Club, that's now a possibility. Gotta love it. Monorail action. Space Mountain. All right. And we make our way home to the Magic Kingdom. As always, I like to get a close-up of the here you leave today and enter the world of tomorrow, yesterday, and fantasy. I think we're going to take a ride on the Main Street Transportation Company because why not? We're on vacation. Cool view of the Emporium and the confectionery. And of course, there's the princess. You ready to go? All right. And here we go. Style. So we get a look at the most magnificent structure on the planet. At least to me, anyways. We're gonna have a good day, right? We're here. We made it. We're gonna have a good day. You ready to have a good time? Yeah. Looks like everybody had the same idea. Run towards my train. Do it. Alright, y'all want an expert Disney tip? While you're in line waiting for my train, send your wife and child to do the Mad Tea Party. While you stand in line all right? They can meet back in line with us. Hashtag Disney tips. Marjack sent me. And just like that, right back in line. Didn't even know they was gone. So bright. Lunch in Goose's Castle, why not? views from Beast's Castle. Food is lackluster, but hey, at least I'm full now. It looks like Splash Mountain is in the middle of a refurbishment. Definitely one of my favorite rides here. I think we're gonna head to Tom Sawyer Island and let Faith run around and play. Just an awesome view of Big Thunder Mountain from Tom Sawyer Island. Figured I'll show you guys. It's pretty cool. The legendary Dolwood floats. No Magic Kingdom trip is complete without it.
One more guy. One more guy. One more.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Such a good hug.
Her favorite character ever. It's a
He
good
is the
one right
best.
there. Yeah. Smile. Boom, got it. Look at Tron. Oh my god, I can't wait for this ride. Look at that, man. Oh my god. Oh, that's so awesome. It's so big. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at that. That is a bad dad right there, boy.
Pink with sprinkles?
All right, man. Yeah, at the Happily Ever After dessert party. It's an extra event. I'm so excited. Let's do it. Man, we got cheeses and all kinds of juices, waters. Wow, look at that. Nice. Ooh, very nice. So we got little meat sticks here, some chips and artichoke dip. This chocolate toffee brownie mixed cookie stuff is fire. Cheese, cookies and cream push up, some guava juice. Yeah, good stuff, man. Good stuff. Thank you, Tim Trucker, for telling us about the cheeseburger. Eating like Timothy. Alright folks, and as we peacefully sit here and wait for Happily Ever After to begin, I will choose to end our second day at Walt Disney World for the Magic Kingdom here tonight. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the journey. We had so much fun riding all the attractions, eating some good food. Oh, those cheeseburger rolls, man. Tim Tracker, you've done it again. I definitely have a new Disney World favorite. So as always, if you liked the video, do me a favor, hit that like button. You can follow me at youtube.com/monjack79. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And tomorrow is the day, man. Tomorrow is the day. Star Wars fans, this is going to be for you. Galaxy's Edge. Let's do it, man. I can't wait to see y'all guys in the morning. I'll see y'all on the next one. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.